Drone mapping, manual flight guidelines. If possible, you should always choose to complete your surveys using Pix4D. Pix4D will always complete the survey faster and more accurately than a manual flight. Pix4D also allows you to complete multiple surveys over exactly the same area. This is a very useful feature if you are monitoring your project site annually. There are times, however, when you may need to fly a survey manually. If, for example, you change the site you want to map while you're in the field, or if a software bug prevents Pix4D from working. This section will show you the steps that must be followed to do this effectively. The first step is to launch your drone using the DJI Go4 app and fly to the elevation and location where you want to start your survey. If your survey is square, you should start on one of the corners. If you can align your drone with the shoreline or other geographic features, this will help. Visualize your survey area and the direction you will need to fly along the first transect. Use the drone camera to align the direction of flight. Once you are aligned in the correct direction, move the camera so it is facing straight down at 90 degrees. Now you can take your first photograph. The key to completing a successful manual survey is to always fly in straight lines at a consistent speed of less than 5 meters per second. Make sure you never fly at an angle and never rotate the drone. To move to your next photo location, identify an object in the middle of your screen, then slowly fly forward. The object you identified in the middle of your screen will move towards the bottom of the screen as you fly forward. When it reaches the bottom, slow to a stop and take your next photo. This overlaps your photo by 50%, the minimum required to stitch them together. Repeat this step as many times as needed until you have finished your first transect. When you are ready to move over to the next transect, you will need to again identify an object in the middle of your screen. And this time, fly sideways until the object reaches the side edge of your screen. Now you are on your next transect. Do not turn the drone around. On this transect, you can fly backwards, repeating the steps from the first transect until it's complete. Knowing when you reach the end of the transect may require some guesswork. To be safe, take a few extra photos to ensure you've covered the area needed. Continue photographing transects until your battery reaches 30% or you have completed the survey.